What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. I'm wearing my glasses today. What do you guys think? I don't normally wear my glasses in my videos. Today, we're hotshot. You know, we're on the road. I am testing out the new DJI Osmo Action. See it right there? I don't have the screen flipped around. Hold on, let me do that. Okay, so there you go. It has the front-facing screen, which is pretty cool for vloggers, I guess. So you can see exactly what's in the shot and where you can point at things like, look at that headrest. I can see that. But yeah, it's super cool. We're testing it out today for a day in the life of Oilfield Hotshot. We are putting the new Hotshot trailer to work. I don't know if you can see it back there. It is dragging behind us back there, the 24-foot flat deck over trailer. Let's hope the rain holds off and let's go. All right, guys, just about an hour to load and chain down. We have 7 master trees, okay? There's 7 little valve things that are about, you know, yay high. 3 of them are like 6 foot high, and then 4 of them are like 4 foot high. So we have a total weight, you know, just under 8,000 pounds. It's a little bit technical of a load to chain down because they're awkward. You know, you can't do one at a time because then you need like an absolute boatload of chains. So you can put them in a row. So the ones that were equal length, so 3 that were 6 foot, we did in a line, and then 4 that were 4 foot in a line. So you can just do a total of 4 chains, 2 chains on each row. So they have a big footprint on them, a big base on them, where you can just kind of wrap the chain around the base, because if you put the chains any higher, you would tip them into each other whenever you would get tight. So I just went around the base, and then the 3 that were 6 foot, I threw 1 strap over top just to have the added security so they don't get a little tippy. But the chains on the base are super tight. I'll get out and show you guys. Now we're just dealing with traffic. So it's 5 o'clock. This actually is ending up delivering tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. So I got to leave the house super early. So we're gonna head to the house and I will show you guys exactly what we got. Let's go. We got stuck in school curfew, leaving that pad. School is still in session. The curfew ends at 5:31, which is tomorrow. Today's 5:30. School curfew ends tomorrow, and so I mean we got stuck in. It was only half an hour. I finished unloading right around like 7 o'clock, so I had to wait to leave the pad until like 7:30. So no biggie. But we just got fuel. It is 8:02. I am headed back to the house. Another easy day down. It was an awesome, easy day. It's already 8 o'clock and I'm done for the day. I'm sure I'm going to get called again. But let me know what you guys think on this new DJI Osmo Action. It is 100% the in-camera microphone, so however the audio sounds is what you get. But also, guys, real quick, this Modern Diesel merch right here, this shirt right here, I have on the website. I have a few left from our first like launch or whatever. 15 bucks. Go on, 15 bucks. And also, these shirts here, the Make Power Strokes Great Again shirts. Awesome thing, super funny, and there's truth behind it. We debuted that. We launched that at the UCC, and we have a few left from the UCC, so I'm going to throw those on the website for 15 bucks. We're clearing out all our old stuff, so go on there, hit the first link in the description if you guys want to get some Modern Diesel merch. 15 bucks for the shirts. But anyways, I am headed to the house. As always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace!